How to clear RAM cache in Windows 11. So this is going to be the simplest version and how it's done, and I'm going to go ahead and show you. First things first, let's go ahead and open our task manager, and then we're going to go ahead and basically click this one, and there goes my memory. So I have 32 gigabytes of memory, and then if you can see here the cache, this is 17.1 gigabytes. That's really high, right? That's a lot. That's huge. Now I'm going to close this, and I'm going to show you the method on how we can do this one. Now here, I want you to go ahead and download RAMMap, so you can just go ahead and click this one right here, and then you have the download button here. So just go ahead and download and put it wherever you want, and then I'm just going to open it. When you open it, you should be seeing something like this. I just want you to go ahead and use the first one here. Go ahead and double click it, and then the program is going to run, and it should look like this. Now from this point forward, what I'm going to do is just give you a side-by-side look of the RAM. So I'm going to go ahead and put here the performance and the memory, so that we should be able to see this one cleared out, right? So I'm going to go ahead and present it that way. That's 17. And then from here, what we are going to do is click empty, and then you have the standby list. The standby list represents our cache. So I'm just going to go ahead and click this one, and you should be able to see this one drop pretty soon. So that is how it's done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.